open the secret Start menu. You know that to get to the Start menu, you hit the Windows icon at the bottom left of the screen or on your keyboard. But Windows 10 includes a lesser-known second Start menu that makes accessing important features like the command prompt, the control panel, and the task manager much easier. You can access it two different ways, either by pressing the Windows key and X, or right-click the Windows icon or Start button. Open items on your taskbar with keyboard shortcuts. If you've pinned programs to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen to create a shortcut, you don't have to click the icons to open them. Instead, use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus number key, with the number key corresponding to the position of the program on the taskbar. For example, Windows key plus 2 will open the second item on the taskbar. Minimize all windows except the active one. If your desktop screen has gotten too crowded with open windows, you can quickly minimize them all except the one you are currently working in. Just click the title bar of the window you want to remain open to select it. Then, hold the mouse down and move the window back and forth, quickly shaking it. Essentially, after a couple of quick shakes, all other open windows will minimize, leaving only the one you've shaken open. Neat, huh? Take a screenshot. If you want to capture and save a picture of your entire screen, the easiest way is to hit the Windows key and print screen key, and that picture will be saved to the Pictures Screenshots folder. To capture just one part of your screen, hit the Windows key plus Shift plus S to open a tool called Snip and Sketch, which allows you to click and drag to create a screenshot, which is saved to your clipboard. Get rid of ads in your Start menu. When you run Windows 10 with default settings, you may sometimes see apps on the right side of your Start menu. Microsoft calls them suggestions, but they are actually ads for Windows Store apps you can buy. To get rid of the ads in your Windows 10 Start menu, go to Settings, Personalization, Start. Toggle the setting called Show Suggestions occasionally in Start to the off position. Show file extensions in File Explorer. Windows hides file extensions by default, which makes life difficult for people who need to look for specific types of files, like PNG or JPG. To see file extensions in File Explorer, do the following. Go to File Explorer. On upper right corner, click on Expand the ribbon. Then you will see a menu like this. Now click on View tab. On right side, you can see item checkboxes. File name extensions, hidden items. Now tick the file name extensions. Now you are good to see file extensions.